watchdog. So we have made watchdog in the category of web tooling, and let's see what watchdog is all about. So in this growing age of internet era, we are mainly concerned about privacy and security. So even in the early day, we were more oriented towards solving the problems and stuff, and security was also given very great importance. But as you can see here, there was an incident that happened with the Apple's website URL, that slightly, just by modifying a Unicode character, it took them to the completely new sort of web page that was intended for some malicious purpose. So to prevent such events, we have made this extension. This can be easily used as an extension. So let's check out how the architecture works. So initially we'll just have to, we can just be normal, we can just browse things normally, and then the extension will be active in the background. Though initially the whole URL is taken, and then we have a couple of models that can train, and that has been trained, which can predict if it's safe, malicious, or unsafe for adult, and etc. So the URL is taken, and then features are extracted, and then the it is being predicted as either malicious, benign, or even adult, or unsafe category. So typical ML model processing. Yeah. So like I said, this is the whole step of things that happen, and then let's see it in action. So yeah, we have made use of fast API for creating this whole extension, and then the extension is being done in JS, as you can see here. Yeah. So this one this API, what it does is, it takes the current page URL, and then it scans through the entire URL that is already available inside this in the console, and it checks if it can find any such malicious URLs, and then just tells us. And then this one is just as a single entity, we can pass in a single entity, and then we can identify whether it has something adult or something like that. Let's see here. Yeah. So as you can see, it is telling that this website is adult, so we need to stay away from it. So let's check with google.com. So if so we all know Google is safe, at least in the aspect of browsing. So this is how the APIs work. This one this, like I said, it kind of grabs the whole part of URLs, and then checks for the sub URLs, and checks whether if those part are safe or not. So to see this in action, so yeah, so it is classifying this current web page as adult, and then we can go for some other things, and then yeah, so this is safe, and then we all know GitHub is very safe, so things like that. Yeah. So this is what the whole extension does, and then yeah, this is what we have used to build this whole app, and then yeah, thank you.